I built a base out in the plains, made a potato farm and grew sugar canes. I tame my wolf and watch him grow. Just see now there lives so happy alone. But then one day a griefer came. He burnt my house, killed my wolf, and I had to escape. He took my diamond gear, left me with pain, and I had to start small again. Oh, the plains are quiet, the ashes are cold. A story of a lost in a world made of gold. No bark in the hole, ain't no light in the hole, just a shadow that lingers against the wall.